So about 3 years ago, I was in a meeting with one of the heads of AI in our company, and we're basically telling our employees what AI is, what the implications could be, and how we're using it in the product. And at this point, I don't think people had fully grasped what AI could do. In this meeting with the head of AI, she was doing a demo as we were preparing the content, and she showed me ChatGPT for the first time and basically just did a very simple prompt, plan a trip to Japan. And that was it. It was a very simple itinerary. I mean, it would look very basic by today's standards, but I remember thinking, wow, how did it do that? She explained basically that it doesn't produce the same output every single time. And I just thought, what does that even mean? Anyway, I was pretty wowed. And by the end of that meeting, I was just like, this is incredible. About 5 minutes after that, I was like, my job is going to be gone very soon. So my name is Cian, and I work in communications for one of the biggest tech companies in the world. And basically, writing is a core part of my job. And what I had just witnessed was some technology that could do it 100 times the speed that I could. Anyway, we ran the event, showed our employees how incredible this technology was. And I remember so distinctly during the event just wondering, what does this actually mean for me and what I do in my life? And I remember making a decision a few weeks after that event, rather than just accepting that it was all over for my job, but I was going to use the technology and become really, really good at this, especially better than anyone else around me in my position. And I'm sure many of you watching this video remember your AI aha moment. It may have been the first time you saw ChatGPT output. It may have been the first time you saw those images of people recreating their face using AI, or could have been an AI generated video. Whatever it was is very vivid in most people's heads. But it's that wow moment that really makes you start thinking about different ideas of how you could use it and how it applies to your life and your work. In fact, the first thing I did wasn't even work related. I actually scrolled back to check my very first ChatGPT prompt, and it was basically asking for a movie review of the film In Bruges, which is one of my favorite films. Definitely wasn't perfect, and looking back on it, it's fairly simple, but I remember thinking back then, wow, I mean, this is pretty impressive given I only typed a few words. So why am I saying this? 3 years later, I'm leading AI transformation for our comms team. I've built a YouTube channel with over 26,000 subscribers. I've done multiple speaking gigs. I do coaching on the side. And basically, I'm doing more than I've ever been able to do in my life. And I've seen this with others too. In my training sessions, I've seen many AI skeptics turn into strong AI advocates. I've seen one guy build a single prompt that saved the sales org thousands of hours and dollars. I've seen people get promoted way quicker than anyone else. I've seen so many people change into jobs that they truly love now that they're able to. And I've started seeing loads of people become more entrepreneurial and building businesses on the side, or quitting their jobs and building businesses. And also, I've seen a lot of people just work a lot less. They're actually saving so much time using AI that they don't have to work as many hours and are just enjoying their own personal lives. And most people still don't know that this is possible for you. And that is the purpose of this channel. Basically, the reason I started this channel was kind of selfish. Ultimately, I felt if I had to post a video every single week teaching something about AI, I would learn AI myself way quicker than I would if I weren't doing this. And so what started off as an accountability mechanism has actually helped me teach thousands of people on AI. And there's a new AI tool or update every single week, and it's just so draining. If you've got a job or a family or a social life, it's pretty much impossible to keep up with all of this. That's what I'm here for. I look at all the AI tools and workflows that you need to think ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, dictation apps, image generators, coding apps. And basically I test them, I cut through all the marketing noise, I simplify them, and figure out ways that you can apply them to your workflows in a really easy to digest manner. I basically just want to make it clear what's actually worth your attention. No technical jargon, just what people need to know to do their jobs and get on with their lives. Which is why I want to hear from you before I build anything else. I'm thinking of launching a small community or a short bootcamp to help people navigate through all of this. But before I do, I want to understand what you actually need or what would be most helpful for people. So I've just created a very quick form, only takes a few minutes, and I'd really, really appreciate if you could fill it out, be as honest as you want. I'd love to hear what is actually top of mind for all of you. Leave your email, I'll write back my thoughts. I'm not trying to sell anything right now. I genuinely just want to hear from you and understand what is most helpful for people. It's been so great on this journey so far, and I feel like we've achieved so much just going through all these tools, and I really appreciate all the positive comments and everything you're sharing. but I only want to get better, and I only want to make it easier for most people to use these tools, make their work and lives way easier. 3 years ago, a fictional trip to Japan changed the way I work and live forever. And I think I can do the same for you. So fill out the form, tell me where you're stuck, and I'd love to start building a program from there. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and join me on this journey. And if there's anyone you know who you think would find this channel helpful, please make sure to recommend the video to them too. This is why I'm making it. Well, that was a nice walk around the garden. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.